Welcome to Auntie Tay's School of Fun. School is back in session.
It hasn't been in session.
What?
It hasn't been in session.
We just got done with spring break, you remember?
Oh, true. But I've still been doing school.
Sure you have.
I've been doing my English. And I've been doing
You speak good English?
my elective Spanish.
Okay. How does Mom do homeschool? Not very well, right? Okay. So, but we've been homeschooling before it was cool, right? Before it was a thing?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, I present to you a homeschool project encompassing all of the skills you'll need to know for life.
Oh, no.
One for you. One for you.
Really?
This is how they react to my amazing ideas. Okay, hear me out. Give me the papers. Give me the papers. Give me the papers. Give me the paper. Give me the paper. Give me the paper.
I'm reading it.
No, I will explain it. Give me the paper. This is how I do. I put so much time and effort and love into my homeschool projects, and then the teenager just looks at me like I'm insane. We are having a backyard remodel contest.
Oh.
This is how they look at me, guys. Just feel it. I'm their teacher. You guys are their teacher. I built this all this morning, and I was so excited, and then I present it. This must be what it's like to be a junior high teacher.
Can we get a pool if we do it?
You can put whatever you want in the backyard remodel.
Wait,
Really?
so if we win, we just get to do it?
Yep.
We can have
Really?
a pool?
You have to do it correctly. The first step is to measure the entire backyard and draw up in pencil, you pen lover over there.
Who are you pointing to? You're pointing at you.
In the camera, it's this one. Pen lover over there. Pencil on graph paper to scale our backyard with deck, with existing things, everything that's in the backyard.
Okay.
That's your step one. You cannot move on to step two until I have approved it. Do you understand? Yes? Yes?
Do we have to draw the deck too?
Everything. The
Even
deck,
right here?
everything.
The deck, the
To
unfinished
scale. What does it
stairs.
mean to scale?
What do you
To
mean?
draw everything.
No, it means 1 foot equals
One square.
1 square, if that fits. If it doesn't, half a square is 1 foot. You have to make a little key. Chill, kid. If you were in school, you'd be doing palindromes, and you're not. So just get over it. All right. Okay.
Palindromes are easy.
I know palindromes are actually really fun. I'll have to teach you palindromes. Anyways, I spent some time dreaming. Are you excited about the project now?
Yes.
Okay, I took some time to kind of explain it a little bit better, but the best part is they get a real budget, because this is something Dustin and I obviously have been planning to put in our budget. They have to stick to that budget. And it's gonna be a good one. We encourage them to dream first, so like make $1 million backyard.
Great patio furniture.
Yeah,
That's my favorite part. I don't know why.
I love patio furniture.
Me too.
What are you doing over there?
I don't know.
So, yeah, we told them, like, dream, don't worry about budget in the beginning, and then we'll slowly pull things off. Obviously, like, this one wants a zip line over a pool. Not sure if that'll work out. This is what I am putting to the test. We will see what happens. But, I don't know. So far, doesn't look like it's doing much. But okay, guys, so I just used this for the second time. My hair was blue, and apparently it's supposed to gradually dye your hair as you shampoo or wash it. I've been meaning to use this brand called Overtone, but they're totally sold out of everything. So I found this on Amazon. I just wanted to get the blue out of my hair, even though the blue was kind of growing on me, but now I'm using pink, and I don't know. I'll give it a few more tries to see if it actually turns rose gold, but it's made for like touch up between going to the salon, so I don't know if it'll actually dye my hair. All right, this is after, so last night I put it on my hair while it was dry, because the Amazon listing showed that if you do it on dry hair, it gets more vibrant faster. So I did it on the dry hair for like an hour while I waxed my legs. And then I woke up this morning because I washed it out last night. So I just slept on my hair wet. And then this morning I threw it on again for like 30 minutes. And then it is so it's supposed to be rose gold like that, but it has a purple because my hair used to be purple. So because I used to have purple and the blue keeps popping up, I'm pretty sure I will not be able to get it to this rose gold. And I also, this will work better on lightened hair. Don't lighten your hair at home, whether you want to or not. Just don't do it right now. So what I have done is I have my niece come and do my hair. She lightens it for me, and she lightened it maybe 6 months ago. And usually we do extensions, and you guys have asked did I cut my hair? No, I just took out my extensions. I have just a little bit I put in the back of my hair that make my hair an inch longer. So I had those. Dustin actually took those out for me, but then I have her lighten my hair, and then I just play with the color until I need it lightened again. So the lightening is actually what damages it. So that's why it's breaking off here, and it doesn't grow because I get it lightened. But I'm trying to grow out my natural hair too. Got a little bit more grays up in there now that since the last time I tried to grow out my natural hair. So I'm going to grow my natural hair out and let the blonde just kind of grow up slowly. But I'm growing a balayage kind of thing. And then I just throw colors on it because it's fun. Once it's lightened, then you can color it whatever you want. Bathroom update.
Bathroom update.
How we going in? Drywall. The silver tube is gone. We got all this. So that's going to be a rain shower head. There's going to be a shower head right there. Shower head right there. Because they come in, and then a shower head right there. So extra. So extra. Except we're not, because we conserve water.
They have, when you live in California, they have low flow shower heads.
Anyways, electrical boxes are in. Replacing all that because it's old and gross, right?
Yep.
Okay. And then that's where we're at. We still have a hole down to our other bathroom, which I still have yet to show them.
No need to show them. It's just ripped apart.
Well, I need them to know that we have 2 bathrooms completely ripped apart. They're holding you accountable too. You said April 30th, right?
Oh my gosh, I got 15 days, guys.
15 days.
I'll have a shower in.
No. You said. You said.
Better tell Mark to finish his bathroom real quick.
So he can come help you?
Yeah.
Well,
1 inch.
you better accept help. This man has a hard time accepting help. Is that pride or humility?
No, I'm too detail oriented. That's the problem.
Too detail oriented. Just get her done.
Yeah.
It'll be done. One day we'll have a toilet there. There's no hole for the toilet.
Yeah, no, I still gotta drill that.
Oh my goodness, there's so much to do. The pile of laundry is still on my bed. I'm not coming back up here. Last week was when I tried to fold the laundry and the bat flew at my head. So this is my laundry spot, which is kind of working because I feel like it's already halfway to Marie Kondo. Let's see my closet. My closet also has bathroom stuff in it because this is where I put all my bathroom stuff. And then I had to move Dustin's stuff in here too. So this is now both of our closet, and I don't even want to wear clothes. I literally wear the same jeans and t-shirts every single day. And then I just pick from this pile, and then I throw the clean clothes on the pile, and then I pick from the pile. So who needs a walk-in closet when you've got the Marie Kondo bed just to get your clothes off of? Oh, buddy, did you get your hair done today? That's so pretty. Let me see. No, sit. Oh, he got his hair done. You got a clip in your hair. It's so pretty. Who did that? Who did that for you? Did your sisters dress you so pretty today? He blinks like a Pixar character. What? No. It's not time for you to eat. All right. They're out here working on this backyard project. So this is our old deck Well, it's not our old deck. It's a deck, and it's old.
Two boards that are about to snap.
Yeah, so when you step on this one, it, like, literally, you're going to fall through it. And
And then over here.
this deck is, like, 5 feet off the ground, 6 feet off the
I
ground.
had a grate. So since that they were able to see over, like if they were to look out their window, they could see us right now.
Yeah.
And so I was thinking we could like lower our deck and then do like the stairs where it like has big stair and it like goes down to our deck.
Yeah.
But it's not like huge amount of stairs where they're like walking down the stairs. It's just like little stairs to
Right.
get down to our deck so our decks aren't like 100 feet tall.
Right. I know.
You could see us.
So, like, our backyard sits above, I don't want to show too much of our neighbors' houses, but, like, it sits higher than all the neighbors. So, like, we can see down into her yard, across into their yard, and down into her yard. So, we have a lot to work with. A lot to figure out and work on. But this deck is really cool. It's just old. And we have, like, this cement pad. So, we literally have, like, not done anything, obviously, and this backyard is just a hot mess, but it's phase 2 of the renovation. We're going to finish the inside of the house first, and then we will tackle this. So
It's going to take a little longer than to do in all of April.
you can take longer than April. I just didn't want you to have to get bored and if you didn't want to do it anymore. But if you want to spend more time. So we have these unfinished stairs. So this is fun. We can just literally fall off our deck.
Yeah, I like them because you can do this.
Operation safety needs to be... Oh, look at that. It's like a jungle... Like your dad built you a jungle gym.
Yep.
We'll keep it at that. So we have like a forest growing around our spa. We have an unfinished fence over here. Like we just have this little fake fence right here because... we have a gate we have to fix in the front. Like, it's just a hot mess. This was literally like a blank slate when we moved in. Still is. Hey, you're gonna fall off the deck. Can you not stand right there? That scares me. All this time on my hands, I am getting so many ideas. And it's kind of getting the best of me. Are you getting so many ideas? Like, I haven't finished a lot of the stuff that I've already wanted to do for a while, which is cool because I'm getting more tutorials done. But, yeah, I gotta go help Dustin. But I have so many new ideas and things pop up, and then I'm like, oh, I wanna make that, I wanna make that, I wanna make that. I still don't even have enough time to do that. All right, let's go help him.